Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. So if you want to change your name on ChatGPT on PC, then this video is for you. So first of all, open the Google Chrome or any browser on your device or your PC and search for chatgpt.com. Hit enter. Now click on this profile icon, go to settings, then you can see the language tab and click on this auto detect. You can see the list of the languages. Select any one of them, which one you want to set for ChatGPT, and it will set for your language on ChatGPT. So that's how you can change your language on ChatGPT by PC. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe this channel for more tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video.